I love working with wood.
Bob Ross has worked for the U.S. Forest Service Laboratory in Madison for 40 years.
It's just so cool. It's very diverse. So many different species.
He watched as the Capitol was breached on January 6th.
We were all pretty much in shock.
But then his phone rang.
I got a call from a good friend and cooperator from the U.S. Department of Defense. And he said, Bob, you showed me some material down there in our facility. Any chance we could use that and use your expertise to help rebuild the Capitol? And I said, you bet.
They were looking for rare mahogany that you can't just buy on the market today.
A lot of those species are endangered. The trees are endangered, or some are extinct.
Down in the basement of the Forest Service lab, a light bulb went off.
That wood was right up in there.
You were like, wait, I think we have that.
I did. I knew exactly where it was, and I said, yeah, I think that fits.
Not only did he find similar 100-year-old mahogany,
That's the original data, original reports.
he found stacks of research and documentation on the wood itself that dates back to the Forest Service in the 1910s.
It was, we believe, used around 1918 to develop laminated propellers for the War Department for blades that were going to go on aircraft used over in France during World War I.
The wood was ready to go and sent to the architect of the Capitol.
Sorted it out, loaded the material up, and delivered it to the Capitol.
Because it's such a special material, it will likely be used in some of the highest profile areas, maybe even the chamber doors.
Restoration of some of the doors, potentially the doors actually going into the chambers, millwork, pedestals, that type of thing.
Bob has helped New Orleans rebuild after Katrina. He's worked on restoring old Ironsides. But this is different.
The U.S. Capitol is the heart of our democracy. It is the heart of the United States democracy.
Knowing pieces of Wisconsin will forever be symbols of American resilience.
To think that we're contributing, in just a small way, but contributing to rebuilding that, it's just an incredible feeling. I get goosebumps just thinking about it.
In Madison.
That's our house.
Savanna, Tomei.
That's who we are.
Spectrum News.